So kids, do you see the beautiful craft work behind? Do you see the beautiful sun? The colorful sailboats? We use our sense organ, eyes, to see.
Did you hear the melodious music? We use our ear to hear. Let us learn about all the 5 sense organs which help us to feel the world around us.
Welcome to Wonder Minds videos. Today we will learn about sense organs. There are 5 senses in our body. They are the sense of sight, the sense of taste, the sense of smell, the sense of hearing, and the sense of touch. Our senses help us to understand what's happening around us. They help to keep you safe by warning you of any danger. So, how do the senses keep us safe? To understand more, let's take the example of crossing the road. While crossing road, we look if the signal for pedestrians to walk is green. This means that we use our sense of sight to check whether it is safe to cross the road. Sense organs. The sense organs are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste, and touch or feel. The 5 sense organs are the eyes for seeing, nose for smelling, ears for hearing, tongue for tasting, and skin for touching or feeling. Here is a quiz for you. Let us see how well we have understood the concept of senses and sense organs. Look at this boy. He is looking into the mirror. So which sense organ is he using? He is using his eyes to look into the mirror. Look at this cute girl. She is cuddling the soft teddy. The teddy bear seems so soft and feathery. So which sense organ is she using? She is using her skin to touch, to feel the teddy bear. Look at this girl. She is trying to listen to the sound that is coming to her. To listen or to hear, which sense organ is she using? She is using her ears to listen. Come to this one. See this child? The child is smelling the sweet fragrance of the flowers. Oh, the flowers are so fragrant. Which sense organ is the child using to smell the sweet fragrance of the flowers? Yes, the child is using his nose. Look at this boy. He is eating the tasty ice cream. While eating, which sense organ is he using to taste the ice cream? Yes, he is using his tongue to taste the ice cream, to relish the tasty ice cream. Here is a fun fact. Do you know that we can use all 5 of our senses at the same time without even realizing it? Can you give me an example? Eating is one such example. Now, you discuss with your parents that how are we using the 5 senses while eating. Have fun while learning and discussing with your parents. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Wonder Minds videos.